Art Glitter, my favorite glitter supplier. Highly recommend it. Just got a package from them. Wanted to show you what I got. Well, first of all, I will say that your package will never open up during shipping. I don't know who packs these up, but it is so securely wrapped that it's just very thoughtfully wrapped and packaged. So this is what I got. I got a few colors I was out of. Of course, I have to have every color. This is warm white. I will say this is the finest glitter I've ever used. It's just super, super sparkly. And I think it's used for cosmetics reasons too. I use it to make my ornaments. Now, this one is called Nuts. And that one, when you put it on, looks like a miniature silver garland. That's why I like it. That's Red Rocket. I use that a lot Christmas time. This one's called Bonsai. I use these all the time for my ornaments. They're just beautiful glitters, and their glitter glue is the best. Antique gold and polar white. That's the white I always use for everything. Pink lame and red planet. Best glitter ever. Highly recommend it. And the customer service is amazing. They send it right out. Everything about this company is great. Highly recommend it. Hope you'll try it.